Hey, what's up? Well, today is Wednesday, and here I am. I am traveling to Jonesville, North Carolina, and I am on my way to pick up my vintage club, vintage modern is what I call them, vintage modern set of clubs, and I'm excited about it. So, hope you are gonna think they're cool. I think they're cool, and I hope everyone's had a great day today. I don't feel too well, but it's okay. I think it's some kind of snotty bug. But anyway, this is the first mini vlogs, I guess that you could say, that I'm going to make with my friends and family, and it's going to show where I'm going and what I'm doing in the golf world, and I'm excited about it. So first up this weekend is a Donald Ross 9-hole municipal course, none other, located in Asheboro, North Carolina, and so I'm excited about that. And I know right now you're just looking at my fancy teeth, but anyway, I'm excited about this 9-hole course by Donald Ross, and so we'll see how things go, and I'll be checking in with everyone in my second vlog of the year. Peace out. Oh, also, I'll have an update on my my clubs. So